I'll first invite Professor Prabhat Ranjan, Founder, Vice Chancellor, D.Y. Patil International University.
I personally am a nuclear fusion scientist and a futurist. Those of you who do not know nuclear fusion, it's the process by which sun produces energy. Our task is to bring sun on earth. I'm the first PhD from this country in nuclear fusion. The future belongs to private university and private institutions because we handle the money more efficiently, we work harder. And I join all of you in making sure that the India's dream run has started. We are in demographic dividend. Next to 3-4 decades is India's time, and all of us have to contribute to this. Thank you so much.
Basically, this type of award and selection give us basically the encouragement to achieve the much larger target and sustainable success in the future. And I assure certainly we will achieve much bigger target in the future and contribute to the nation. Thank you very much.
I am Bishwajit Barua, native Assamese from Guwahati, Assam, who is there in Karnataka from right 14 years, did my education there, and now I am a passionate entrepreneur in the field of smart passenger mobility. खुद एक भारतीय होने के हिसाब से मैं ये चाहता हूँ कि भारत की एक बहुत अच्छी पहचान बने, और जो हमारी मेक इन इंडिया की जो एक इनिशिएटिव है जो हमारे गवर्नमेंट ने लिया है, तो मैं उस पर अपना योगदान देना चाहूँगा, और मैं अपने भारत को चाहता हूँ कि और हम अग्रसर हो इस इनिशिएटिव में और हमारा योगदान रहे.
We are into designing of making various gas or products, electricity and thus green hydrogen by gasification of dry waste, which will attribute to clean environment and better pollution control. Chemix welcomes new challenges, new requirements, new ideas, new concepts and setting new goals. Chemix requests to all who are thinking of new endeavors in relation with alternate energy, modification of existing process and any gas related mechanism, you can remember us.
In Bangalore, we launched this hospital in the year 2000 when the first wave of COVID just got over. And it was our mission to give affordable care to most of the people whom we can reach out to. And we have been doing that over the past 2 years. And we have done a lot of free surgeries for cleft lip and cleft palate, for which we have received a lot of recognition from the state government, as well as from a lot of NGOs for coming forward with such an initiative when this is one of the areas which people have not seen.
So the previous slide was regarding Imam Ali Ji's in a school. So we had done a very good study for adolescent children. That was titled Life's Crucial Transition, when a child is going to become an adult, and what are the leads for comprehensive trajectory. So in this we found interesting things, dietary behaviors, like in adolescent age, adolescents are image conscious. What is the body image? So they try to make efforts to reduce weight or to gain weight. And our findings were interesting, that ideal weight is, meaning deviations from the ideal weight is 10%, and the children trying to make changes is 40%. So we made a suggestion that BMI charts should be displayed in all schools so that children know what is the ideal. And other things also we have found out, and these are interesting and all publicly available.
Even proud to tell you that when IT industry was facing about 20 to 25% of attrition, we are less than 2% in last 3 years. So this is what we achieved as a company, and as people said, this is the beginning of the new India. So India 2.0 or India 3.0 we should call that. Everybody, we got great global opportunities and a lot to achieve. Let's all stay strong, let's all contribute to the growth of the country. And I wish you all the very best, and congratulations to all the winners. Thank you so much.
Good afternoon, everybody. I thank Top Notch Foundation giving our company the chance, recognizing our company. We TerraSoft, our government empaneled agency, we work in cyber security, giving a broad view about cyber security. Everybody knows right now what things are going in the world, because of artificial intelligence, the cybersecurity is very, very important. Whatever the cybersecurity things in India are going on right now, if we compare this thing with other countries, in India the cybersecurity cell is very strong compared to other countries. So these things actually we need to promote very well with our citizens.
वो एक सिंगल थॉट हमारे इमोशंस को ब्रेक करेगा, और अगर हमने उन इमोशंस के ऊपर काम नहीं किया तो वो हमारी मेंटल हेल्थ को खराब करेगा, और अगर हमने उस मेंटल हेल्थ पे काम नहीं किया तो वो हमारी फिजिकल हेल्थ को खराब करेगा. सो दिस इज अ चेन, इट नॉट कम्स इन लाइक वन डे हमें कैंसर हो गया, कभी भी नहीं. दैट वाज द ओनली रीजन. कैंसर कभी भी फर्स्ट स्टेज में कितने लोगों को डिडक्ट होता है? कैंसर से पहले एक स्टेज होती है जिसको हम बोलते हैं फ्रैंक कैंसर. एग्जैक्टली सेम होता है, बट द
So, starting here, it has been, I come from Singapore, so from Dubai, Singapore, it has been a lot of travel for me for the last 3-4 days. And as I was traveling, something really struck to me. And I'm going to do a small exercise with all of you. I'm going to request you to participate. Are you guys ready, please? Yeah? So let's do a very small exercise. Imagine, close your eyes and imagine you are traveling. And you are late for the airport. You are just rushing in.
Most Impactful International University of the Year, and the award goes to D.Y. Patil International University, Professor Prabhat Ranjan, founder. Up next, Best Private University of the Year, and the award goes to Manipal University, Jaipur, Dr. R.K. Gupta, Dr. Ashish Sharma. Best Hospital in Assam, Jeevan Jyoti Institute of Medical Sciences, Dr. Ratandeep Bose, Dr. Rajdeep Roy, Mr. Swaroop Kanti Sinha to please come. Most trusted and leading manufacturer and supplier of maintenance-free earthing and power conditioning, Pragati Electrocom Private Limited, Managing Director Virendra Kumar. Our next award is the most promising natural and herbal food products company of the year, JBB Ayurveda, Mr. Rishi, founder, to please come on stage. Our next award, ladies and gentlemen, Best University for Health Management in India, and the award goes to IIHMR University, Dr. P.R. Sodani, President. Many congratulations. Up next, Most Emerging Business Personality of the Year goes to Mr. Biswajit Barua, Founder and CEO. Our next award is Best Paramedical Education and Training Council Training Provider in India, and the award goes to Paramedical Education and Training Council, Dr. Dinesh Kumar Shukla, Chairman. Up next is India Most Trusted Diabetes and Metabolic Reversal Center of the Year, and the award goes to Your Wellness Center, Mr. Sheikh Mirajur Rahman, Lifestyle and Reversal Coach. Chemic Specialty Gases and Equipment, Mr. Achinta Lal Roy, CEO, to please receive this award. Our next award, ladies and gentlemen, is Most Innovative Design Institute of the Year, and it goes to JD Institute of Fashion Technology, Mrs. Rupa Dalal, MD from JD. Up next is Best Multi-Speciality Hospital in Karnataka, and the award goes to Mitra Multi-Speciality Hospital, Dr. Bharat Raj, Managing Director and Chief Orthopedic Surgeon. Most Emerging Business Personality of the Year, Mr. Anoj Kumar Singh, to please come near the stage. Most Iconic Healthcare Personality in India, and the award goes to Dr. Chandrasekhar. Up next is the Most Trusted Food and Beverage Retail Company of the Year. The award goes to Light Bite Foods Private Limited, Mr. Ranjit Palayat, Chief Executive Officer. Our next award is Best Business School with Excellent Placement Record of the Year, and the award goes to Institute of Marketing and Management, Professor Smita Lal and team. Up next is Best Pediatrician in India, and the award is backed by Colonel Dr. Sunil Jain. And the awardee is Source to Tea Private Limited, Mr. Sanjal Gupta, CEO, DWP Global Corp, Mr. Raju Nadeem Pali, CEO, and Ms. Dr. Raghu Ramaraju, Director, to please come on stage. Best Autism Research Center in India goes to Providence Microbiome Research Center, Dr. Chandrasekhar Thodupu Nururi. Tulya Ayurvedic Medical Research Center, Dr. Zakaria Jacob, Director, to receive this prestigious award. And the award goes to TerraSoft Technologies, Mr. Ashutosh. Up next is the most iconic business personality of the year, and the award goes to Mr. Puran Singh Negi. Up next is most iconic business leader of the year, and the award is backed by Mr. Ashish Chaturvedi. And the award goes to Manipal True Test, Dr. Sandeep Sharma, Chief Executive Officer from Manipal True Test. And the award goes to Plan Edu Consultants and Learning Solutions, Mr. Vikas Bharti, Founder and CEO. Our next award is Most Iconic Orthopedic Surgeon of the Year, and the award is won by Dr. Rakesh Tripathi. Best Emerging Startup of the Year, and the award goes to Space Mantra, Ms. Nidhi Agarwal, Founder and COO. धन्यवाद सर, और बुलाना चाहेंगे स्टेज पर डॉक्टर ठाकुर रघुराज सिंह जी को बुलाना चाहेंगे और श्री श्याम जाजू जी को. मोस्ट इनोवेटिव रियल एस्टेट डेवलपर ऑफ द ईयर, एक्सेंट डेवलपर्स, मिस आशा जी फ्रॉम एक्सेंट टू बी ऑन स्टेज. मूविंग फॉरवर्ड, द मोस्ट प्रॉमिसिंग फिनटेक स्टार्टअप ऑफ द ईयर, Vananam, Mr. Keshav Inani, founder and CEO from Vananam. Most innovative digital marketing company in Delhi NCR, and the award goes to National Marketing Projects, Mr. Raja Shukla, founder. Our next award is Best Urban Cooperative Bank with excellent performance in India, and the award is backed by Adarsh Cooperative Bank Limited, Mr. Aday Tak, Mr. Ravi Arora. Up next, most trusted and innovative brand goes to J. Joshi Infra Projects Private Limited, Ms. Shabnam Khan. Most emerging author of the year, and the award goes to Dr. Josen Ranjit. Most trusted and renowned laparoscopic and bariatric surgeon in Northern India, and the award goes to Dr. M.R. Atri. He is a professor of surgery. Our next award is Excellent Performance in Education Sector. It goes to LNCT Group of Colleges, Dr. Sanjay Bajpai, Director. Environmentors Perpetuity, Mr. Mohit Narayan, Director. So please come near the stage. SRM Institute of Science and Technology, Delhi NCR, Dr. Naveen Ahlawat, Dean, Campus Life. Up next, Best Inspirational Popular Author of the Year for her best-selling book, Brahm Se Brahmand, Dr. Anju Sharma. Our next award is Most Trusted Construction and Electrical of the Year, Morlatis Engineering Construction Private Limited, Mr. Amit Kumar. Up next is Most Innovative Women Digital Strategist of the Year, Ms. Kurapati Nilema. We request Sri Ranjit Nayak ji to please join us on stage, Member of Parliament, Lok Sabha. Sri Ranjit Nayak ji to please join us. Up next is Breast Cancer Surgery and Oncoplasty, Dr. Tushar Jadhav. Best Pharmacy in the World, Mr. Basant Goyal. Our next award, Best Emerging Hospital in Medical Value Tourism, Sharda Hospital, Mr. Varun Agarwal. Fastest growing homegrown burger brand of the year, The Burger Company, Mrs. Neelam Singh, founder, and Mr. Nitesh Dhankar, co-founder from The Burger Company. Up next, Best Stock Market Analyst, Dr. Harsh Marwadi, CEO HR Investor. Excellence in Education, Dr. Gayatri Narasimhan. Our next award is again Excellence in Education, Dr. Saurabh Kumar Agarwal. Most Innovative and Trusted Leadership Coach of the Year, Ms. Pooja Talesara Bhandari. प्रदीप जी से निवेदन है कि कृपया वह मंच पर आ जाएं। अदारा एस्थेटिक, अ कंप्लीट के ब्यूटी क्लिनिक एंड एकेडमी, मास्टर बीना मार्कियो, मास्टर किम दोंग जो, बेस्ट चाइल्ड डेंटिस्ट इन दिल्ली, डॉक्टर कोमल नेबनानी. Our next award is Best Gym Chain in India, and it goes to SFW, the Gym Platinum, Mr. Manoj Rajput, founder. Most Inspirational Leader of the Year, Mr. Vijay Christopher. Our next award is Market Leader of Safety Products, World's Best Importer of the Year, Delhi, Prem Safety Works, Mr. Prem Arora. Up next, ladies and gentlemen, is the Best Quality Rubber Products of the Year, and the award goes to Vishal Rubber Technologies Private Limited, Mr. Dilip Shinde.
लगभग 6 साल से 2000 से ज़्यादा लोगों का डायबिटीज़ रिवर्स कर चुके हैं. डायबिटीज़, टाइप 2 डायबिटीज़ रिवर्स करना बहुत ही ईजी है. लाइफस्टाइल में चेंजेस करना, खाना पीना में चेंजेस करके अच्छे से कर सकते हैं, डिसिप्लिन से कर सकते हैं. तो जिनको भी डायबिटीज़ है, जिसकी इंडिया अभी टाइप 2 डायबिटीज़ में नंबर 1 है, डायबिटीज़ में नंबर 1 है, तो डायबिटीज़ कोई भी चाहेगा तो रिवर्स कर सकता है, खाना पीना चेंज करके कर सकता है, मेडिसिन फ्री हो सकता है, इंसुलिन फ्री हो सकता है. तो जिनको भी मैं मैसेज देना चाहूँगा, जिनको भी ये सारे प्रॉब्लम है, मेटाबॉलिक डिजॉर्डर है, तो हमको ये अवार्ड मिला है उसलिए, तो आप लोग भी ज्वाइन करिए, हमारे साथ ज्वाइन करिए और अपना जो लाइफस्टाइल को चेंज करिए, हेल्दी बनिए. थैंक यू.
I would like to take this opportunity to thank Top Notch Foundation for selecting D.Y. Patil International University for a coveted award of Most Impactful International University of the Year. We have also seen demand among the global investors who are trying to invest in the university for technology commercialization. This is all happening within the 5 years of our existence, which is a very short period in university existence. I would also like to take this opportunity to thank my management, my colleagues. All of them have contributed to this. Thank you.
So, ensuing my passionate journey of entrepreneurship, I came into the bus industry of India just for implementing sustainable passenger mobility, wherein for the first time in India we are taking care of the women's safety on board buses, and women's safety and security, senior citizen well-being, and also driver well-being. These sectors are what I came to know about studying the industry pan-India was like, during my case studies, that we were lagging something regarding the, the services plus taking care of the public.
And also Planedo has been trying to bring it a different kind of change to the students, whoever are looking for it, in whichever zones you see or whatever financial background they are having. Moreover, as per the national education policy, also Planedo has been trying its level best to bring in a different phase of the education institutions which are available in different parts of India to the students which are available in remotes. So we'll be keep doing it, and we'll uplift the Indian education system and make it.
Hi, I'm Nidhi Agarwal, founder of Space Mantra. So it's a great honor being recognized as the emerging startup of the year. We started in 2021 in the construction industry, where we have opened an online platform for the interiors and the construction products. So this is the industry faced with multiple problems, and we are building online and digital solutions to help the users and all the buyers and sellers in this industry to consolidate. So we're looking forward to a lot of growth and a lot of potential. So thanks for recognizing our efforts.